Manually checking WooCommerce orders and updating sheets used to eat up my time every single day. One missed order, one wrong entry, and things would spiral fast. To fix this, I created a workflow inside Pabbly Connect where every new WooCommerce order is automatically logged in Google Sheets and the customer instantly receive a order confirmation email without me doing anything manually. In this video, I will show you how you can create the same automation inside your own Pabbly Connect account to track orders cleanly and stay organized without constant checking. First, I will show you a quick demo of how this workflow works and then we'll build it step by step. To show you the demo, I have to buy a product from my WooCommerce store. I will open my store and I will buy this cream. I will add it to my cart. I will open my cart from here. Next, I'll proceed to checkout. Here, this is my email. This is my shipping address. Now I'll select this method as cash on delivery and I will place my order. Then you will see that instantly all the details of this order will get added in my Google Sheet. Here our order is created successfully. Now I will open my Google Sheet. In here you can see this new details of the order that I have bought. This particular product GG Glow Cream has got created successfully with all the details about my order. Now I will also open my Gmail account and in there you will see here this email is also sent to our customer with the help of workflow that we have created inside our Pabbly Connect account. So this was the demo and you just saw how useful this automation can be for your business where you don't have to update anything or send any message manually. You can completely automate this process with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now I will show you how you can create this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account for your business. So for that, at first I will help you navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. We have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. This will get you directed on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In here on the top right corner, we have got these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user to Pabbly Connect, you have to press this sign up free button to create your free account. By creating your free account, you will get 100 free tasks every month that Pabbly Connect gives to every new user. With the help of these 100 free tasks, you can easily explore our application and create such amazing workflows inside our Pabbly Connect account. But if you want to create workflows without worrying about tasks, then you can simply buy the yearly or lifetime subscription of Pabbly by using the coupon code visible on my screen, and also this coupon code will be available for you in the description box. By using this coupon code, you can get an exciting discount on our prices. But if you are already a Pabbly member like me, then we have to press this sign in button. This will get us directed inside this all apps page of Pabbly where Pabbly has this 7 amazing and powerful applications. From here, as we are going to use this Pabbly Connect today, that's why we have to access this, and this will get us directed inside the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where on the right corner we have this button create workflow. By clicking on this button, we can start creating our workflows. On the left side we have this plus button. By clicking on this plus button, you can create a folder for yourself, and in those particular folders you can store your workflows to stay organized. We will get out of here, and then to start creating our workflow, we have to click on this create workflow button, and then we have to select this create from scratch, as we are going to create our workflow from scratch. So we will select this, and then for here we have to select among these two different workflow builders. First one is our new beta version, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and the other one is our classic version, which is a stable and familiar approach. From here you can select any of these two different workflow builders, as both of these are amazing, but I will select this new beta version as I am more familiar with this. So I have to select this. Then inside this dialog box, we have to give a meaningful name to our workflow. I will name my workflow as this track WooCommerce order in Google Sheet. Then from this folder, we have to select the folder in which we want to save our workflow. We have to select our folder and then press this create button to successfully create our workflow. Here our workflow is created. Now we will get directed inside this page. In here we can create our workflows by integrating multiple applications. First of all, we will select our trigger application with the help of which we want to kickstart our workflow. For my trigger application, I will select WooCommerce as I have created my store inside WooCommerce. But if you want, here you can select any other e-commerce stores also, like Shopify or BigCommerce or anything else as per your preference. But for my trigger application, I will search for this WooCommerce here, and then I will select it. Next, for this application event, as I want my workflow to get triggered whenever a new order is created inside my WooCommerce store, that's why I will select this new order created, and then to create a connection between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect, we have to press this connect button. Here we have received this webhook URL, so we just have to copy this URL from here, and then we have to follow the steps given here to successfully integrate this URL. But for now, I will show you directly. For that, at first you have to log in inside your WooCommerce store, and then inside this WordPress, this is my WooCommerce store. So from here, I have to select this settings, then I have to go on this advanced. Next, you have to select this webhooks. Inside this webhook, you have to press this add webhook button, and then you can see now we can add our webhook here. First of all, I will give a name to my webhook URL as this new order created. For the status, we have to select this as active. For this topic, we have to select this as new order created. So we will search for it. You can see this is order created. So we have to select this, and then in the box, we have to paste the webhook URL that we have copied from a Pabbly Connect account. Then we have to press this save webhook button. Here our webhook is updated successfully. Inside our Pabbly Connect account, we are waiting for a webhook response. This means that we have to submit a response again, and to do that I have to buy a product again. I will open my shop again. This time I will buy this phone from here. I will open it, and then I will add it to my cart. I will open my cart from here. Next I'll proceed to checkout. I will not change my delivery details, and now I'll directly place this order by clicking on this button. We have successfully placed our order. Now we have to check if we have received a response here or not. We have successfully received our response with all the details that I have added while buying this particular product, RTX Mobile. This means that my trigger step is working all fine. Now I have to work on my action application where all the details of this product will get added as a new row in my Google Sheet. So I will select my Google Sheet from here. Then for this application event, I will select this add new row, and then we have to press this connect button. We have received these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you want to create a connection for the first time, go with this add new connection. But if you have already established a connection, you can go with the select existing connection. This time I will select this add new connection, and then we have to press this sign in with Google button. On the left side, you can see Pabbly Connect has detected my account. So I will select my account from here, and then inside this next page, I have to grant access to Pabbly Connect to my Google Sheet. So I will click on this continue button, and there is no need to worry as your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. My connection is created successfully. Now I have to select this spreadsheet and sheet. The name of my spreadsheet is new leads, and the sheet in which I want to add these details is this sheet 3. In here I have to select this new leads, and for this sheet I have to select this sheet 3. Next, you will see that all these columns that I have created here will get successfully detected by Pabbly Connect. We have to open it, and here these columns are detected. Now we just have to enter these details, then these details will get added as a new row in my Google Sheet. First of all, we have to enter the date. For this, I will take help of mapping. To map data, you just have to press this slash button, then search for the thing that you want to map here. This is date created. I will click on this, and here the date is mapped successfully. For this name also, I have to search for the name of my lead from here. This is the first name. This is the first name demo. I will press space, and then I will again search for this last name of my customer, this lead. For this phone also, I can map it from here. So I will search for it, and I will map it. For this email also, I have to search for the email of my customer, then I have to map it. I have mapped all of these following fields. Now I just have to press this save and send test request button. I will click on it. Now I will explain you why I have to help of mapping to fill up these fields instead of typing them manually. By mapping these fields, I have made them dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I will enter these details manually, like if I will enter the name of my customer manually, then that particular field will remain static and it will not change unless we manually change it. That's why to allow our data to get changed automatically, we take help of mapping. Here I have also explained you mapping. Now I will open my Google Sheet, then you will see that these new details of this particular product RTX Mobile has got added successfully inside my Google Sheet. This means that our action application Google Sheet is working all fine. Now we just have to work on our last action application where we will send an order confirmation and thank you email to our customer. For that, we have to click on this plus button, and here we have to select this Gmail. For this application event, we have to select this send email and press this connect button. This time also, we have to select this add new connection, click on this sign in with Google. Then from this left side page, we have to select our account and grant permission to Pabbly Connect inside our Gmail account. So I will click on this continue button. Then you will see my connection has got created successfully. First of all, for the center name, I will add the name of my company. For this sender email address, Pabbly Connect has detected my account and it has already entered my email address. I will let it remain as it is. For this recipient email address, here I will map the email of my customer that they have provided while buying this particular product. I have mapped this email address. Now I will skip this CC, BCC and reply to. I will directly enter this email subject. For this email content, I will add this text. I have added this static email content which I want to send to my customer. Now to make it more user specific, I will map some of the details of my customer here, like I will map their name, the product selected by them, the order amount and payment method. Now I will quickly map all of these following details. I have mapped these details. Now I'll directly press this save and send test request button. Then we will see that instantly my customer will receive this email. We have received our response as sent. Now I have to open my Gmail account to see that here this email is also sent successfully to my customer on their Gmail account. This means that the workflow that we have created here is working all fine. With this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can create such an amazing automation for yourself inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, where for every new order created, automatically the details of your order will get added inside your Google Sheet and your customers will receive a thank you and order confirmation email on their Gmail account. That's it for this video. If you want to use this workflow, then for you, I will add a link of this workflow in the description box so that you can use it from there for your business. Thank you for watching this video till end. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with one of your business partners. You can do one more thing. If you also want to create such amazing workflows inside your Pabbly Connect account without worrying about tasks, then you can simply buy the yearly or lifetime subscription of Pabbly by using the coupon code that I have added for you in the description box of this video. Just go and grab this opportunity right now. Not just these, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com and you can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check this particular website. So what are you waiting for? Just go and automate your business with the help of Pabbly Connect.